Good evening, students. In the second unit test, there will be three chapters in your syllabus. First one is nutrition, second digestive system, and third one is respiration in plants. Most of the content of the chapter you have read in the lower classes. So let us start chapter number 10, that is nutrition. So here there are few definitions you have to learn because 5 mark question will come from the definitions. So first one is nutrition. Nutrition means the supply of essential organic and inorganic chemical compounds to the body, and all these chemical compounds are called the nutrients. So what is nutrition? Supply of nutrients to the body. Okay. Second one is food. Food is any substance which we eat or drink and which contain the nutrients that are called the food. Food is any substance which we eat or drink. So it may be milk, bread, egg, fish, apple. Next one is diet. What is diet? The combination of food items which we eat in our meals. That is called the diet. Okay. In our diet, we are eating different variety of food. For example, um, we are eating pulses, cereals, then vegetables. So all are included in our diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet is one which contain all the principal constituents of proteins, principal constituents of food in proper quantity for a particular person. As you know that different persons have different requirement. So balanced diet depends on the age of the person, child, young or old. As you know that child requires more of protein as compared to the old one. Second one is sex of the individual. Generally males require more food as compared to the females. Lifestyle and nature of work. For example, if a person is farmer, he requires more food as compared to the office goer, those who are going in the office. So next one is special need of a person. Special needs means if a person is sick, or if a lady is pregnant, or nursing mother means the mother who is feeding her baby. So these special cases, in case of these special cases, they need more food. Sick person requires more food to cover up the disease. uh, More definitions are here. Meal is the food taken at one time to satisfy the appetite. So it is a food which is taken at one time. So generally it is asked how many meals you should take in a day. Okay, these type of questions. So generally we are teaching them in the lower classes. So meal is the food taken at one time to satisfy the appetite. And what is appetite? Desire to eat. That is, desire to eat is called appetite. And hunger. What is hunger? It is an uneasy sensation, means it is uneasiness due to lack of food. Then next is nutrition. All living organisms require food. Why it is needed? So food is generally we are telling you why do we need food, because food gives us energy. So food gives us energy for various for performing the various functions. Then growth. Food is needed for the growth of the body, for making the new cells. Food is needed. Next one is repair. Food is needed to remove or to repair the worn out or injured cells and forming the new cells. Next one is maintenance of the chemical composition of cells. Food is needed to maintain the chemical composition of the cell. If food is not provided, the internal composition of cells is not maintained. Provision of raw materials. In your body, so many enzymes, so many hormones, sweat, milk, tears, so many secretions are produced in your body, and for producing all these secretions our body requires food. So food provides all the raw material for these secretions. Then food protect you from the disease. Special protective food protects you from the disease and the infection.